Welcome to Scented Palette. Indulge in pan-seared red snapper, smothered in a rich lemon garlic herb butter. Paired with a tangy red wine vinegar sauce, this dish balances bright, zesty notes with savory goodness. Hooked from the first bite, barely resistible, expertly crafted. Prep the fish fillet with a generous amount of salt and pepper on both sides. Rub in some olive oil. Leave it to rest for about 10 minutes. Heat up the pan. Drizzle some olive oil. Now gently lay down your fish in the pan. Cook without disturbing for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll start making our lemon herb butter. Chop finely a few sprigs of fresh parsley. I realize now how close the knife is to my finger. My knives are very sharp enough to cut through the chicken bones easily. Probably that's why I badly cut my finger all the way to the bone, which happened in a flash. It rendered me incapacitated for the last few weeks. So be careful while using your knives. The parsley is chopped. Let's check our fish. This little sneak peek showed me that it's done on the underside. Time to turn it over. See, it's got a pretty golden color and some grill marks as well. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of butter into the parsley. Time to check the fish, as the second side doesn't take long to cook. It's done, so let's take it out. Now crush about 1 centimeter of ginger and 1 clove of garlic and add it in the butter. Season with some salt and pepper, and we are done with it. For the sauce, we need 1/2 of a small onion. Chop it in small size. Let's begin with our sides.
I'm going to saute some carrot ribbons in a bit of oil.
Don't let them turn brown. We'll cook them until they change color and bring out their natural sweetness. I've cut them in ribbons because it goes with my plating idea. You can cut carrots in any shape you want. They are done, so now let's move on to the sauce. Sauté 2 onions and 2 cloves of crushed garlic together in a bit of oil. Add a little water to stop them from burning. Two teaspoons of red wine vinegar. One teaspoon soy sauce. Season with some salt and pepper. Give it a minute before adding the sriracha sauce. Keep the sauce as thick or thin as you like. A very thick and sticky sauce serves my purpose today. Time to plate up. I'll finish it up and show you the final look.